All right, guys, we're about to go get out on the lake today and try to catch us some bass. We have no tournaments scheduled anytime soon because of this coronavirus. So I guess we're just gonna go fun fishing because there's nothing to pre-fish. So anyways, we'll see you guys when we start putting in and we're at the lake. So see y'all there. Oh my word! That loon just hit my bait. Oh my word. I've hooked a bird.
Did it hit it?
Yeah, I'm talking about smashed it. No. Oh, this is horrible. Oh, it's powerful. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is the craziest thing. Oh man.
Give me those pliers.
This is horrible. Dumb thing. Oh, this is horrible. Here, what do you want me to do? You want me to get it on the carpet?
We may just have to.
Cut it off.
I don't know. I hate to leave that thing in its mouth.
Oh man, this is great.
Hold on, bird.
Dumb bird. So what can I do?
Nothing right now.
Oh, this
Hold
is
that
great.
right there. No, just that.
Okay. Okay. Oh man, that was yeah, that was one of the weirdest things that's ever happened to me. I think Saturday is when they do that fish at Dalbert Park. Is this a fish? Yeah, it is, and it's a big one too.
Yo! That's a 4-pounder.
That's a high 3.
No, that's a 4. Oh, my phone's soaking wet and hit by a fish.
That's a 3. Look at there. Just caught him right up here in these reeds. She's probably either on a bed or looking for a bed. Hold on, just wait. And she was up here in these reeds. I felt her hit it and I set the hook and she was on. It's a pretty fish. It may not be a 3. I don't know.
It looks like a 4.
I can't tell, to be honest with you, by looking at it.
I think it's 4.
Nope, it's only 2.6.
Really?
Yeah,
No way.
it's only 2.6.
Turn the air around.
I'll tell you, it did look bigger than 2.6. 2.64. Yeah, it's over 2.5. There he is. Look. See this right here? Oh, he broke me off, dude. Broke me off. Dude, he was pulling my rod under the water. That's why you retie. Dude, hey, throw in there. I'm serious. He's in there. That's the furthest they're gonna go back. Well, do you know how the spawn works? So there. I'll take that back, maybe.
That's a big one.
It's a little baby.
How much this one a bit.
Man, he is pale. Good grief.
When we're done, he's gonna
He is like, I thought he was a white bass. Sorry.
Just sitting there or what?
I was just, it was on the retrieve.
You miss it.
We are done fishing. We're about to go back to the ramp because it's getting dark and we don't want to be. Oh, I think you have one. And we don't want to be out here when it's dark. You know, there's a lot of debris in the water today. It just rained. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry I didn't catch a bunch of fish for you guys, but
I did.
hopefully this video will be interesting. He caught his PB, so that's cool. And we, as a group, caught some good fish. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.